I just started out the beginning of it writing about my new job, and then just after that, it's a little random. Bonds and stocks, debit advice and corporate actions. Trade fails, overdrafts, foreign exchanges, and withheld taxes. 9 to 5 paid vacations, a salary job with a benefits package. Never pictured myself sitting behind a computer all day authorizing multi-million-dollar transaction. But you best believe I take my check at the end of the week and go cash it. Shit's kinda whack, and I don't trust banks, so I'm stacking my chips under the mattress. Never sold out, I'm just faking the funk like fat kids running marathons at track practice. I'm still hurling the mental Molotovs, committing lyrical homicide. I ain't got my book today, so I drop rhymes going home on the metro ride. I'm not a super creature from the intergalactic. I'm just a skinny cat with big ears, a blackberry, and some glasses. I tend to be quiet, but that's probably just because you just some... I tend to be quiet, but that's probably because you just said some whack shit. I'll just pass your ass up like riding my bike while you're stuck in bumper-to-bumper traffic. I ain't a doctor, but I treat self-professed ill kids like pediatrics. You coming at me twice as hard, but I'm hitting you back with cold-blooded hat tricks. Nobody ever bothered to give me a roadmap, some instructions, or an atlas. So I strayed from the path of the righteous, living my life with missing captions. I strive to move forward, but I find myself steadily moving backwards. An Americano, homie, foreign-born, supplanted and extracted. Branding cast like a blacksmith with random facts, while fascists causing famines, I serve up extra servings of passion. But that's not enough. And for all you daughters, I still love you. I keep one finger in the air and it ain't the thumbs up.